Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your Facebook profile. So here I've already on the Facebook apps and you can just go straight to your profile, click on this, click on your photo and click on your profile here. So go to the edit profile option and in here just scroll down until you find the links option and click on this add button. Now you can just add your social links or your website. Here if you want to add social link, just click on this and select the platform. So there are lots of options from Instagram, Threads, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok or other social media that you use. Just type the username in here, for example. Okay, you can also add a website. Here just type in your website and after that when you're done just click on save and the links will be saved. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.